Hello everyone, we continue our lessons. I couldn't share the lesson last day, so I apologize. My own work is really busy. Let's start. Today we will delete and update our products. Let's start with the deletion process. First, we need necessary code in the controller. We need public iaction result delete product and int id var value underscore product service dot find instead of get by id get by id and underscore product service dot t delete with only id. Okay, we don't need this line, we can delete this here. Okay, and return redirect to action, go to product list with category. Right click product list with category, go to view and products slash products delete product and item dot product id. Control Shift W, run it and try it. I'm waiting for open. Good. We can delete apple pie and delete this, and you can see apple pie is deleted. Good. Our delete method is worked deletion worked, and next is the addition process. In the addition process, we need to call the categories before adding any product. So we need to list the categories. For this, we need to list the categories in the get section of adding any product on the product side. Let's write our code. Attribute http get public iaction result create product and return view. First we create a new view for create product. Add view, raise the view, use a layout page with admin layout, add. Then we will write get to category list. For get to category list, I'm waiting for open the create product view. Okay, close and again open. Okay, we need create product view. Go to Solution Explorer and open presentation layer, open views, open categories, open create category. We can use this code, copy and add model for product. Okay, delete this here, past. Good. Add category panel, delete this here, add product panel, product name, this product name. Okay, and right click product, go to definition. We need other stack, copy and paste product stack, this stack number. Okay, and other Next, price. Okay, product price and this price. Good. Next, image URL. Image URL, product image URL, URL, description, product description. Good. Next, we need category. We can change next lesson input instead of drop down list, product category. Good. Create product and Ctrl Shift W. Product name, product stock, product price, product image, product description, and product category. Stock, we can use text instead of number. Okay, and at least we can use a different tool. Number, Ctrl Shift W. You can see product, for example, 2, 3, 4, and increase or decrease. Good. And we can change this here, categories, add category, new create category, products, and add product, new create product. Good. Ctrl Shift W, again run. Okay. You can add this URL for texts. Okay, and product list with category. Add new product. Okay, this is working. Good. We don't have any problem. That's enough. We continue from this here. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson.